Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 11th of November. All right, having a look at yesterday's markets, the only data to come out was from the US. We saw the CPI number come in at 0.9% and the core CPI at 0.6%. That was much stronger than forecasted. Consequently, US dollar did have a good session, putting on around about 100 odd pips against many of the majors, and that was pretty much all that's happened yesterday. Now, let me take this opportunity to have a look at the watch list that we've been looking at. We've been tracking a gold trade, and I just want to show you the formation of a chart and what to expect, so that you can begin to learn how to see it a bit early, so to speak. Now, I saw this one earlier in the week, maybe even Friday, I can't remember, and I identified a region, okay, that there was a resistance there, and we said it's still too early, let's wait for the market to reach there if it does, and then once it does, we'll look for some kind of a reversal pattern on that one. So that was the first chart. Then yesterday this happened, we finally reached the level that we were looking for, and then we were naturally having to wait for the reversal. This morning when I've looked at the chart, this is what's actually happened, and the candle that we were looking for, this one here, we were looking for this one to be a little candle over here to indicate to us some kind of a reversal so that we could trade it down, but instead it was a big candle that blew through the level. There was no damage done to us because we did not take the trade. We didn't get the setup that we were looking for, and this is one of the reasons that we look for this confirmation to increase our probability with these types of trades. Many people like to just trade off the level, so had you taken your trade off this level and were short already, you would have been stopped out on this particular occasion. All right, so I just thought I'd take the opportunity to show you the sequence of what we were looking at this week with the daily call, and that was on gold. No trade there, so let's move along. Let's have a look at our chart of the day this morning. The chart that I'm looking at is the Aussie CAD, and again, similar to what I just showed you, I've identified a level down here of support. The market has been here once and shot off, been there a second time and bounced, and now the market is over here. Too early to take a trade, but what I'm interested in to see if it does continue to progress down, and when and if it does come down here, then I will be looking for a reversal pattern in the way of an inside candle or a shooting star or anything of those type of candles to indicate that the market is bouncing, and that will be our trigger to become a buyer. For now, let's just add it to our hot list. The Aussie CAD on a daily time scale is our chart of the day this morning. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Only one bit of data today, happens at 11:30 this morning. It is local. It is our employment change numbers and our unemployment rate. So look out for that one. This is a highly impacting data on the Aussie dollar. So just make sure that you're aware of that. That happens at 11:30 this morning, Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Time. That pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.